Alright, I'm not sure how good of a video this is going to make. In retrospect, I probably should have started recording before I dismantled everything. But I'll throw a picture up of what this used to look like. And this is now what it looks like. So basically what I'm doing is I'm switching my 12 volt panel, because no offense to Ridge Rider, but this one's kind of shit. And basically I'm going to copy Aussie Arvos and chuck it in, if I can get it open, chuck it in to this. Now I don't think he put the sticker in his, I actually didn't watch the full video, but I am going to put the sticker on. This is a medicine cabinet for your bathroom. So yeah, I'll dismantle all this, get it put in here, and we'll have a look. Alright, I know there's a few more things that I need to fix up, but this sort I'd want to show you guys now. It's a little bit messy in here, you know, I don't have things like, I don't have the fridge hooked up yet. But I do still have the solar controller, that's going to be moved eventually. But it comes in down here, comes back up, comes around in the seal up here, and it all comes back through down over here, comes in the top, which charges this, which goes to the battery. So the battery's also got a monitor on there as well. So basically, you know, everything on this panel works. This is the only switch hooked up to anything, it's just hooked up to these lights. So, but yeah, here's my panel on the inside. I made it as neat as I possibly could with my skills. I like how it turned out, and I hope this makes a pretty alright YouTube video. Also, thanks to Aussie Arvos. I will throw a link in the description to the video that I watched that gave me the inspiration for this. And there is my medicine cabinet sticker, which this is what this is. I need to give it a bit of a clean. There's metal shavings everywhere. There's metal shavings all in here, you know, carpet and whatnot, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.